Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So you know how we do it, guys. Basically, tell a friend to tell a friend about the channel. So I'm here today with not even an upgrade, just a little accessory. So I just picked this up, install this. It's basic plug and play for this. So join me as I set this up. So okay guys, so that's what you get in the package with a little bit of instruction. So basically, first thing first, you're gonna want to pull this nut and take this section off of it, just so you have a little bit more space while you do the setup. Alright, so there you go, took it out, and this is what you have to work with. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna want to come over to the motorcycle, and this you're gonna want to put it in the center. And for me, I'm gonna try to make sure I put it down, give it a little bit of spin. So what I'm actually doing with spinning this is leaving a denture on it, or a mark, so I have somewhere to cut, because you are gonna have to cut this. Once you do that, take it out. I don't know if you're able to see it, but it does have a little mark there. You're gonna go ahead and cut that. So basically, I'm gonna use my scissors to cut right where that mark is. And hold on. So once you get it cut, it's gonna be something like this. And they suggest that you cut 1 inch from the bottom. So I'll use my tape measure. Then you're gonna want to go ahead and cut it around here. You're gonna want to come over to that little package that you got, and you're gonna want to take this screw out of it. When you're done, it should be looking something like this. I'm thinking that I may have to cut it again, like cut down here just a little bit more, so I can get this. Oh, you're gonna want to go ahead and find the one that fits your motorcycle. Find the one that fits your motorcycle and fit it in there. After that, you're gonna take this nut and put it inside there, and you're gonna use it to tighten. Let's go. So for me, it's gonna be this one. So I did have to go ahead and cut back a little bit more than they recommended for this one. And once you put the nut inside there, you're gonna take it, then you're gonna go ahead and fit it onto this with the teats turning up towards the rubber. So after doing that, you're gonna take your recommended size Allen key and tighten it down. Remember, you tighten it down with the teats on the plastic here facing up. Come back over to the motorcycle, and oh, seems like I picked the wrong size because it's a little bit tight. So let's go back and get the right one. Dum da da da. So guys, I'm back. I changed it over. Let's see. Oh, that's it. And you're gonna want to rack and rack until it's all the way down and snug. All the way. After sitting down like that, you're gonna want to go ahead and take your recommended Allen key and tighten this up. Okay guys, so that's basically the setup there. I did manage to get it tightened down properly where it doesn't rock anymore. So that's the setup right there. Pretty plain and simple. And guys, make sure not to cut that rubber too much, Don't cut off too much of that rubber, because if you do, then it won't be able to tighten firmly. So you know. Okay guys, so that's it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Leave your comments in the comment section.